Hi, Diane here, and I just wanted to take a minute because I get this question asked a lot. And that is, what's the difference between the foot wakers, these gold nubby ones, and the foot savers, which are smaller and denser? Um, an easy way to think of it is that the bigger these domes, these are half balls, right? That would make a ball, but we cut them off for balance, and those are nice because they grip to the floor. When you're working with a bigger surface like that, just like the gold ball is great for stretching your spine over and opening up spine, it's not going to get quite as pinpoint in there, but it's wonderful for working flexibility and stretch and that good fascial release. Same thing with the foot wakers. Everything we do works alignment. So not, whatever ball you're using, we're always taking that traction and alignment as a base of our form with everything we do. So it doesn't matter what ball you use, you're going to get that benefit. Then if you graduate to the foot savers, which are smaller and denser, it's probably a little bit like working with one of these black balls where you could get right into the joint, like work around the trochanter, tracing bone. Just you'll feel the difference of how much more detail this gets compared to this. Both great, both have benefit, just a little bit different experience. So we generally say to start with these and maybe even start seated because these nubs push back, and if you have a lot of pain in your feet, you're going to feel these, and they can hurt. Well, guess what? That's why your feet hurt. So when you're still first working with these, it's nice to really get that form before you go to weight bearing and work seated, get that flexibility, arch building, working that plantar tendon, opening up the thrusting action from the heel through the foot and into the toes. And it's wonderful for that. We have tons of exercises. And I would say the majority of people do own these, and then they buy these and they're like, what the heck do I do with these? So I have videos on YBR Anytime to show you. But what we tend to do with these is, again, get to the more detailed part of the experience. So you're going to be working points in the heel to really get the heel moving. Then we kind of take it just in front of the heel where the the toes and the metatarsals start to expand from the heel. So you might do 3 points, so like an outside, middle, inside, just in front of your heel with these. Um, we can do every ball of the foot and joint in each toe and stretch the toes. You can work every metatarsal from the heel all the way to the tip of the toe just to really ignite and get that alignment. These are also amazing. We have a lot of inspiration from yoga poses, and we put these. Generally, most of the poses are using these somewhere in front of the heel, either outside, middle, or inside, depending on the posture. And it's amazing because you can ground and ignite, and you can really feel how that connection of your feet power up all the way through your body. So Sunday, which is tomorrow, I have a workshop called 10 Ways to Use Foot Savers. And that's for if you have these things collecting dust in your house, dust them off, join me. It's from 12 to 2, but I will have the replay available on YBR Anytime. So that will be available for you to rent and do the workshop after the fact. So no need to make it tomorrow. This workshop will be in there to rent when you have a couple of hours and want to explore it. You can do pieces of it, start it, stop it. And I hope to see you on the ball. And I hope that helps you understand the differences between the wakers and the savers. Take care.